Hi guys, Miss Hunt here. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to use Canvas starting Monday. When you submitted your assignment on Friday, you can find it over here. So if you wanted to see what you did, you can click on that hyperlink, and then I sent you a little message about submitting your assignments. Okay, so that's there. And then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, if you click on it this weekend, you're going to get access denied because I haven't turned it on yet. Let me show you on my end what it's going to look like. Okay, so on Monday, you'll be able to click on Monday and it'll pull up Monday's lesson. So looking here at Monday's lesson, you will, of course, click here to go live. Now you click on there, it's going to take you to the Zoom link for our meeting. I do not think you need to put in the password, but if it asks you the password, it's Hunt107. Right? Then you're going to scroll on down, and you're going to get the morning announcements and the phonics lesson. This should happen between 8:30 and 9:05. At 8:30 on Facebook Live, our office staff will be providing a morning announcement. I will have it on my computer and I will share my screen with you so we can do the morning announcements together. When the morning announcements are over, we will start our phonics lesson. Now remember, I'm going to be recording all of this so you'll be able to come back later and view it if you missed it, or if you just want to rewatch it, maybe you missed something, or you just wanted to see what I said about something. When I'm done with all my lessons and we say goodbye on Zoom, you are going to go by yourself with your parents and do calendar. Now this is pre-recorded, so you will notice that my shirt never changes because I recorded the whole week at school on Friday. So you are going to listen to it. I will leave spaces where you need to answer questions. I do want you to participate. So make sure when I ask a question, you try to answer it. And then I'll give you the answer so you can see if you're right. Remember, if you miss it, it will be right here. Underneath here will be a video, just like the calendar video, but it'll be a video of our pre-recorded Zoom. Okay? You need to get all of, or try your best, to get all of your phonics stuff done and calendar done before 9:05. Okay? Then we will come back online again live. So remember, you're going to go back to the top, click on the Zoom button, and go live for reading. So from 9:20 to 9:40, we will do reading. I will come on live again. I will read you a book. We will go over some questions, and then I will say goodbye, and you will click on your assignment. Assignments are always blue, and they're always underlined because they're hyperlinks. So you will click on that. It will take you to your assignment, and you will record your response to the assignment. Okay? Now, our lessons will not take the full time. So you will have time within that time slot to complete your assignment if you'd like to get it done right away. Okay? And then normally in the classroom after reading, we would go to centers, but because we're not in the classroom, we don't have that option. So that's why we have the virtual classroom. So between 9:40 and 11, that's when you guys will be coming up to be tested from me, so I will not be teaching. I need you to go in our virtual classroom, and I need you to do 2 centers during that time. I need you to do 1 work on words center and 1 writing center from the classroom. And remember, you can find those on our classroom. Let me get back to the classroom so I can show you real quick. Okay, so you're going to find those in our virtual classroom. So our work on words is right here. So you would click on work on words, and then I want you to do 1 of these stations. If your parents want you to, you can do a game, but these games will, or these stations will get you off the computer. You're going to do 1 of those. When you're done, you're going to go back over here, and then you're going to do a writing one. You're going to choose 1 of the writing centers, complete it. Remember, if you need paper, click in the paper tab. If you want to work on formation and forming your letters right, you're going to click on the alphabet chart, and then you're going to go back home. Okay? These lessons or these centers should not take you the entire center time or the entire independent time that's right here. So use the other time to go outside and play with your toys. Do not sit in front of the computer the whole day. Okay? And then we'll go back online again at 11 o'clock. So you're going to go back up to the top, click on my live button again, and come back on Zoom. Now we'll work on writing together. I'll do a lesson, and then you'll say goodbye, and you'll go to your daily writing lesson, complete your lesson, and submit it to me using Canvas. When writing is over, you'll go to lunch, and you'll go to specials on your own. I will not be live. There's supposed to be some specials tiles coming up on Canvas, so you can click on the specials tile and do the lesson that the special teacher wants you to do for that day. Until then, go outside and play, have fun. Do not sit in front of a screen. Get off of it, go play with your toys, go outside and ride your bike, have a good time. Then we'll get back online at 12:40 to do our math lesson. I will do the math lesson live, and then we will say goodbye, and you will go do your your math assignment and submit it on Canvas. I am also asking, because we're going to be talking about colors next week for math, I want you to go back to the virtual classroom, click on the color tub, book tub, and read the book about that color. So let's go back to our virtual classroom so I can show you where you can find that. So you're just going to go right here where it says color books. You're going to click on it, and then you can click on whatever color we were talking about. So we were talking about red, so you will go to red and read that red book. Remember to point to the words as you're reading. Okay, then we're going to go back to our module. Alrighty, and then you're going to go back down. Okay, so we finished math. Remember, it's recorded, so when I'm finished, I will put the video below. And then normally in the classroom, when math is over, you go to centers again. So that's what you're going to do. From 1 to 2, I want you to complete at least one math center. So you're going to go back to the virtual classroom, click on math, and complete the math assignment. Now, just like in reading, there are computers on our virtual classroom's math stations, and so you can stay online if you do these. I would prefer if you did one of these, get off the computer. Don't stay on the computer all day. Do one of these assignments, one of these centers for me during that time. Now you can see that it is not going to take you the whole time to do the center. So again, go outside and play with your toys, have a good time getting off the computer, stretching those legs. And if you don't get to see it, it will be posted below, like always. Okay, and then you'll see science and social studies. Now, science and social studies is not a live time. I will be testing you guys in the classroom during this time. So you're just going to watch a video, and then your assignment will not be submitted on Canvas. So for example, this one's a washing your hands. So your assignment is just to go in the bathroom or in the kitchen and practice washing your hands using what they say in the video. And we will be talking about hand washing during science all this week. So you will be talking about washing your hands. There's going to be some activities you're going to get to do, but for this, you do not have to submit a Canvas assignment. Remember, Canvas assignments will always be blue and underlined, and they'll have the word assignment next to them, so you'll know that it's an assignment. And at the very end of the day, at 3:30, we'll go back on Zoom, and we'll just wrap up the day. Now I'm excited because Monday, I'm actually going to do the wrap up outside on our playground, so you guys can get to see the playground, and we can kind of talk about the things that are on the playground and the fun times we're going to have there. But every day we'll meet from 3:30 to 4:30. That's just a place where if you have to ask questions or we can just talk about the day and what was fun about your day, stuff like that. Okay, now I want to let you know, especially my parents, when it's a live time, even if I stopped teaching and I sent you guys away to go do your lesson, I will still be online the whole time for you to come back and ask questions. So for example, if we were up at the top and we were doing reading, I might not take the whole 20 minutes to read the book and ask my questions. So whatever time is left and you're doing maybe your assignment, you can come back on and ask me questions. So I will stay live from 9:20 to 9:40 for all questions. All right, well, if you have any questions about this, please class dojo me. I look forward to seeing everybody on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.